Hello, in this video I will discuss how to install Anaconda in Windows 11 with Windows subsystem for Linux and Ubuntu 22.04. You can install Anaconda either directly by downloading the installer packages from the Anaconda website like this. Here you can see Windows, Mac and Linux. So from here you can download the installer package, or else you can directly download the package from Ubuntu terminal by using wget. So I will prefer wget to to download Anaconda into my system. So I'll go to the terminal, and here you can see this is the command to download the specific version of Anaconda into my system. Simply you have to write this command and press enter. You can see Anaconda started downloading. It will take some time. You can see the file is downloaded, and here is the file: Anaconda 3 2021 Linux x86. And the first step is to make the script executable. You can do that by using chmod command, and so now the file is executable. And the next step is to dot slash and the file name. So here the installation will be started. Here press enter to continue. You have to press enter, and these are the license agreements, and here you have to type yes, and Anaconda 3 will be installed into the local home, and username slash Anaconda 3, and here you can enter. So it will take some time for installation. So here the installation is finished. Here I'll type no. So here you can see Anaconda is successfully installed, and now the next step is to check whether it is successfully installed or not. So you can type Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator. Here you can see Anaconda is starting, and so we have successfully installed Anaconda Navigator in Windows 11 with Windows subsystem for Linux and in Ubuntu 22.04. And the next step, we will use Jupyter Notebook to run Python scripts. And this Anaconda is a environment, and here you will find number of different software packages, and this is really helpful in Python simulations. Thank you.